If the battery on your generator keeps dying, here are the two most probable causes. When the generator engine is running, the voltage regulator sends the proper amount of voltage from the alternator to the battery to keep the battery charged. If the voltage regulator is defective, the battery won't receive enough voltage and will drain quickly. You can replace the voltage regulator with a new one to solve the problem. A malfunctioning alternator can also prevent the proper amount of voltage from reaching the battery. You can use a multimeter to test the alternator for continuity, a continuous electrical path present in the part. If the alternator tests negative for continuity, it will need to be replaced. Both the voltage regulator and alternator are available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your product to find the specific replacement part that will fix your generator.